For Global MSME Convention for the Plastic Industry, the President along with me, Sri Narayan Rane, the Union Cabinet Minister of MSME, virtually he has addressed. Sri Marvin Gudino, Industries Minister of the Government of Goa, Sri Mayur D. Shah, the President of EPMA, Sri Arvind Mehta, Chairman of the Governing Council, the Office Bearers and Managing Committee, and all the members of the EPMA, and all the members of the Government of India. Speakers who have come across the various countries, the delegates from the plastic industries fraternity, the members of media, the ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you for this 2 days Global MSME Convention for the Plastic Industries organized by Ministry of MSME and EPMA in our beautiful state of Goa. I am told that main objective is highlight the opportunities for the sector which is going to play a major role in India becoming the $5 trillion economy by 2025. The conference will also discuss the investment opportunities in the sector due to the potential business opportunities, especially with respect to the demand in healthcare infrastructure, household and appliances, the automotive and agriculture sector. I am happy to know that more than 300 business owners from the plastic industries are attending this conference. Plastic industry is spread all across the nation and has the 50,000 plus plastic processing units, the 10,000 plus recycling units, and innumerable end users which guarantee the powerful chain of the plastic product in the country and also provides the direct employment around the 5 million. The industry has nearly the 3,000 plus exporters. The majority of the plastic industry units are the micro, small, medium-sized entrepreneurs. I am also informed that the total turnover of the plastic processing sector is 3.5 lakhs crores per year and export of the plastic products is 40,000 crores per annum. Plastic industry plays an integral role when it comes to cater the industry as well as the domestic demand. Plastic industry nearly fulfills the daily requirement of clothing, automobiles, electronics, constructions, irrigations, packaging, the medical appliances, housing and household items, the horticulture, agriculture, and the furniture industry. The plastic industry has grown enormously and is showing an uptrend in the demand in the recent years and growing at the rate of 13% year on year during the last 5 years. We envisage that the plastic industry is expected to reach 10 lakhs crores annually turnover by 2027 and exports are expected to increase rupees 2 lakhs crores by 2027. It is expected to give the employment nearly the 1 crore people in the next 5 years. The major growth drivers of the downstreaming the plastic processing industry is growth in the different end-use segment of the Indian market and higher penetrations of the plastics in the various industry segments. Safe drinking water to all Indians. Micro-irrigation techniques for the efficient use of the water in agriculture. The road connectivity, rail network, electric vehicles, renewable energy, affordable housing, and most of the sector found mentioned in the last budget. It is across the well for the plastic sector in India. To tackle the use of the plastic waste, the several advancement are happening in the plastic industries and necessary steps have taken. The bioplastic, compostable plastics and biodegradable plastic is the answer to the single-use plastic. I am happy to note that and these technologies are being showcased in this mega event. Goa is traditionally known as a tourist parasite, but it is also to the robust presence in the knowledge-based industry. The industries such as IT, pharmaceuticals, biotechnologies are doing very well. Plastic industry is a major industry which provides the packaging and molded items to the pharma and electronic industry. Agriculture is a sector where the plastic can play the major role in improving the productivity yield and in turn the farmer's income. It would be nice the APMA can organize the exhibitions and conferences in Goa, especially on the use of plastic in agriculture, so that the income of the farmers can be increased. Government of Goa is providing the very conducive climate to industry, and there are the many schemes and incentives and for the industries interested in investing in Goa. I will request the industries in exploring the Goa as an investment destination. We have recently launched a new industrial policy to attract the more investment into Goa. I assure you that and you will receive all the help and support from Government of Goa in ease of doing the business in the state. The new international airport MOPA is being inaugurated next month and will be the game changer as far as the Goan economy is concerned. The tourist footfall will increase in multifold. This airport is also being promoted as a logistic hub and will tremendously help the industry in terms of the exports of their goods from here. A lot of infrastructure work is taking place in Goa in terms of road network, bridges, etc. And once completed, Goa will have the tremendous potential in terms of the tourism and industries. In line with our Honorable Prime Minister's focus on Atmanirbhar Bharat, I have started the mission of the Swayambhurna Goa, wherein we are not only focusing the Goa to have the self-sufficient in the agriculture and other daily requirements, but are focusing on making our youth job ready. In that context, I will urge the APMA to their members and to look at the Goa to help our youth to be trained in the skill sets, and that is our industry required. My government will support all such endeavors. Once again, I wishing you very successful deliberations in the conference. माननीय मोदी जी का जो विजन आत्मनिर्भर भारत, जो ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स कंटिन्यूअसली इस आज़ादी के अमृत काल में हम सबको कह रहे हैं कि हमने आगे 25 साल के लिए सोचना है, देखना है, करना है. जो आज़ादी के अमृत काल में एट प्रेजेंट हम हैं और आगे आने वाली 25 साल विच इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर कंट्री. तो इस 25 साल में जो हम कर सकेंगे इसके लिए अभी फाउंडेशन डालना है. तो ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर की सभी स्कीम्स, तो मेक इन इंडिया, स्टैंड अप इंडिया, स्किल इंडिया, मुझे लगता है कि आप ही लोग विच अच्छी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. यू आर द कैप्टन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री हु कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दिस. सो मेरी आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि सभी स्कीम जो आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने के लिए आप सभी लोग सभी स्कीम इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. सही में ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर का जो सपना है नव भारत निर्माण करने का, इट इज ओनली पॉसिबल आपके लोगों, आपके हेल्प से ही पॉसिबल हो सकता है. तो डेफिनेटली हम सब मिलके नव भारत निर्माण की ओर एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएंगे. यही कह के मैं मेरे वाणी को विराम देता हूं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.